Hi and welcome everyone. Welcome to our today's topic. Today's topic is operations on polynomials. In previous video, you learned how to find the sum of coefficients and also constant term and also equal polynomials. So this is the video for understanding the operations on polynomials. I am Ahmed Rafa Hayat for presenting this topic for you. So for adding and subtracting polynomials, in here you will learn how to add and subtract polynomials. So and also like terms, what are the like terms, and when or how can you add two terms. So in here you have two terms can be added or subtracted if and only if they are like terms. So you just need to add or subtract the polynomials if they are like terms. If they are not like terms, you can never add or subtract those monomials or those terms. As you learned in arithmetics, you can add, for example, or subtract 2 books and 3 books. What is the addition or sum of 2 books and 3 books? Of course, it is 5 books. But you cannot add or subtract, for example, 2 pens and 3 pens. You cannot add them because they are not the same things. For polynomials, the same thing. If the polynomials or the terms are like terms, so you can add them or subtract them. But if they are not like terms, you can never add or subtract them. So what are like terms? Look at this. In here we have some examples for like terms and unlike terms. Like terms are the terms with the same variable and also the same powers of variables. For example, in here 2x and 4x are like terms because we have x as variable in two terms. 3xy and 5xy are the like terms because we have x to the power of 1, y to the power of 1 in here also. 3x to the power of 2 and 6x to the power of 2 are also like terms because the powers are 2 and the variables are the same. In here as well you have a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3. In here also you have a to the power of 2, b to the power of 3, and in the last example. In here, no matter if the coefficients are the same, the coefficients can be, the numbers can be different, but the variables and the powers must be the same to be like terms. But for unlike terms, one of these situations will be unsatisfied. For example, if we have different variables, in here we have x, and here we have y. They are not like terms. We cannot add them or subtract them. In here you have x to the power of 2. Here we have x to the power of 3. You cannot add them because they are not like terms. In here you have x to the power of 2, y to the power of 1. Here x to the power of 1, y to the power of 2. So they are also not like terms. The variables are the same, but the powers are not the same. In here also xy, ab, they are definitely not like terms. And in the last example we have abc. Here we have abc squared. They are also not like terms because we had here we have 2 as the power of c, but in here 1 as the power of c. So these are some examples about like terms and unlike terms. So if you have these kind of terms, you can add them or subtract them. But if you have like these terms, you cannot add or subtract them. So like terms are the terms with the same variables and powers. To add and subtract polynomials, we add or subtract the like terms. It is obviously clear for you. To add or subtract the like terms, we just add or subtract the coefficients. To add the terms, you take one of the variables and powers. You just need to add the coefficients. Okay, let us look at some examples. In here we have a polynomial p of x minus 2x to the power of 3 plus 3x to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 4. Here we have q of x 5x cubed plus 6x squared plus 11. So in here we have different colors for different polynomials. Every color shows that they are the same or like terms. For example, in here we have minus 2x to the power of 3 and 5x to the power of 3. they are what? They are like terms. And then here we have a green color term 3x to the power of 2, and also here we have 6x to the power of 2. They are like terms. Here we have minus 2x. Here we have no minus 2x. We have no x here. And at the last we have 4. Here we have 11. So these are like terms. You just add the like terms, and here minus 2 plus 5, add the coefficients. Minus 2 plus 5, x cubed, 3 plus 6, x squared, minus 2x will be written in itself. 4 and 11, we will write it plus 4 plus 11 minus 2x. So if you add, you will have this result. As an example, here we have add and subtract the polynomials. Here we have two polynomials. We need to find the sum and difference of these two polynomials. Let us write the first polynomial, x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. You can write inside the parentheses, and also if you don't want, you can also, doesn't matter for addition. So in here we start from the greatest power. Greatest power here is x to the power of 2. Do we have x to the power of 2 here? No, we don't have. So just write it by itself. After 2 we have x to the power of 1, and here we have minus 3x to the power of 1. Here we have 2x to the power of 1. So minus 3 plus 2 will be what? Minus 1x, and at the end we will have plus 6 and minus 6. Plus 6 and minus 6 will be what? Will be 0. So the answer for the addition of this polynomial will be minus x squared minus 1x will be x plus 0. We must not write 0 here. So the answer will be x squared minus x. For subtraction, we will write x squared minus 3x plus 6 inside the parentheses minus 2x minus 6. In here, minus sign will be distributed inside the parentheses, and these signs will change. X squared minus 3x plus 6, minus times plus will be minus 2x, and minus times minus will be plus 6. So at the end you need to add or subtract or combine the like terms. The like terms here we start from greatest power. Greatest power is x to the power of 2, and minus 3x minus 2x are like terms, so it will be minus 5x, because minus 3 minus 2 will be minus 5. Plus 6 plus 6 will be what? Plus 6 plus 6 will be plus 12. So the answer for subtraction will be x squared minus 5x plus 12. And also you have another method for solving this addition and subtraction, which is down by down. For example, we can write this polynomial as x squared minus 3x plus 6, and at the down you can write 2x minus 6. You will have a line here, vertical horizontal line. You will have same plus sign here. So just you need to find the like terms here. From greatest power we start. X squared is greatest power, so write it by itself because we don't have x squared here. After that we have minus 3x here, and also we have 2x here, so they are like terms. Add the minus 3x plus 2x will be minus 1x, and also they are like terms. Plus 6 and minus 6 will be what? Will be plus 0. So the answer will be x squared minus x plus 0 is not important here. For subtraction, x squared minus 3x plus 6 minus 2x minus 6. In subtraction, you must change all the signs of the second polynomial. For example, in here we have plus sign. In here we have plus sign, it will be minus or negative. And here negative 6 will be positive 6. Now, add the like terms. X squared will be written by itself. Minus 3x and minus 2x will be minus 5x. Plus 6 and plus 6 will be plus 12 because they are like terms. So you see the answers doesn't change, but you can solve the questions by any method you want. The rest of the examples will be in the next video. Thank you.